Hi, this is Lisa from PowerHouse Writing, and I'm going to tell you what I don't teach and what I do teach in the videos. What I don't teach is how to write stories. And the reason is, if students want to write stories, they will by themselves, of their own volition. And they don't really need to know how to write stories unless they become a lit major in college. It's fun, it's great activity, it's wonderful, I love it. And I don't believe that I need to teach children how to write stories. Everybody, however, needs to know how to communicate information. Children need to know how to communicate information in writing. So what I do in this course, PowerHouse Writing, grades 4 through 8, is I teach children how to write powerfully and descriptively. The whole first half of the class is focused on using words and language powerfully. For example, at the beginning, we talk about grammar. Now, we use earthworms to talk about grammar. We make it fun, and we don't circle nouns and underline verbs because students don't know why they would need to do that in the first place. What they do need to know is how to use words powerfully. So we learn more powerful parts of speech. Instead of using the word said, we can use the word hollered, for example. We use some different techniques with figurative language and how to manipulate the reader by explaining the setting and the mood and the weather. So students learn how to write really powerfully at the beginning. Then the second half of the course is all about how to write for information. And I never use the E word, essay, until the very end of the course, because by the time they get to that point, they already know how to write essays. I start very simply with them. We learn how to make one-word outlines. And I don't even tell them they're making an outline until after they've already made one. So by the time they're done with this course, they've learned how to use language effectively, and they've learned how to communicate effectively with really well-organized essays with really powerful words. And they can use the formula for writing essays that I teach them for the rest of their lives, all the way through college and beyond. Now that's a skill we all need, and that's a skill your student can get in one semester or less with this course.